guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, and that unboxing is of the Motif Twist double electric breast pump, and this was sent to me from them. I'm very thankful for any free products I get, especially when it comes to breast pump. Thank you again, Motif Aeroflow, for sending this to me because it came just in time. With my last pregnancy with the twins, I had the Medela double electric breast pump, but it was in a huge bag. I hated going out in public or to my family's house and bringing that breast pump with me, so I had like a handheld one, which totally sucked, just so you know, because you're doing this for like an hour and I just hated it. By the looks of this on the box itself, it looks lightweight and that I can just stick it into my baby bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up right now. Before I open this, it includes one power adapter, 2 breast shields, massage shields and covers, 2 milk collection container caps and covers, 2 nipples, 2 valves and membranes, 2 connectors and diaphragms, 2 tubing and 2 bottle bases. Has an adjustable suction power, backflow prevention, blue LED light timer, fancy, auto off after 30 minutes, soft silicone breast shield inserts, stationary and battery powered. That's awesome, love that. And suction pattern designed for maximum letdown. I'm hoping this time or this pregnancy breastfeeding will be easier because I am only having one baby girl this time, and so I'm actually this time around 5 years later, I'm really excited to try and, you know, breastfeed a single baby this time, because last time it was hard. There are many times where I wanted to give up, but having all these goodies, I'm really excited. It's like Christmas. So I'm going ahead and put it, so here's one of the, it's a USB adapter. Here's another box right here. And what's in this box? Oh, okay, here's the suction-y thingies, valves. I'm gonna call them valves. Here's how it comes. Okay, okay, so here's the plug-in for the wall. By the looks of it, it's a USB adapter, which is cool, and so you just adapt the USB right here, and you can use it without battery powder, and I like that. I don't know, I'm always, you never know, you can never tell how long batteries will last, and so I always like having the actual outlet plug-in for electronic things. Here's how the nipples look. Ta-da! Another thing it came with are these valves, and I'm guessing, no, that doesn't go in there. So here's the pump itself. It has a cap on it right here, which is good. I love that. Keeping it clean before you put it on your skin. The suction, nice and silicone-y. It comes with a stand, so it sits just like that. The size of the bottle, that looks like about 4 ounces. I'm hoping, you know, as she gets bigger and as I supply more milk, that I can put a bigger bottle on here, or maybe I can just buy like a larger Motif bottle and replace the smaller ones. So these are the valves, and it already comes already attached to the breast pump itself, so I don't need to worry about that. These are just extras, which is great. The only thing that I wish it came with was like a little bag, just a little one, but that's okay. I can just keep the extra ones at home for things, you know, the ones that I don't need. And it comes with 2 tubings. So I'm gonna take one of the valves and put it in here. That looks about right, if I can remember from my last one. And then I'm gonna twist the bottle in here. And then the other end of this, slip right into this. It's not that large. It's actually pretty lightweight, which is really cool. And I'm gonna slip it into one of these holes right here. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take this electronic cord, which is the USB line. Go figure. Plug in the USB line to the actual battery. Oh, it's called the pump. This is the pump. Oh, and my favorite part, it has this plastic right here. I love ripping these things off. I'm gonna plug this in and turn it on. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Oh. Oh, I can hear it. It's working. So the lights right here does turn on. The more I turn it on, like up high and turn this way, the harder the suction will be. It's now on minimum, and then just to twist it, you turn it off. And so I'm gonna go ahead and unplug that. That's so easy. I just love how easy that is. It doesn't have too many mechanisms. They have breast pumps out there that you can connect to your phone, and honestly, I feel like it's just, right now, just thinking about it mentally, it's just too much to set up. I just need a breast pump where I can just suction it to my body, turn it on, and let it do what it needs to do. I'm very excited to put this and add this to my baby bag because there's a lot of room in there. Another thing that I want to unbox that I got from Similac is a box of Similac formula, which is really cool, and thank you for sending that to me. What it came with are some baby, like these really tiny samples, but they're not samples, but because I used this, they gave this to me in the hospital with my twins. It's very convenient because it comes in this little bottle right here, and all you have to do, twist the top off, and then add your own, you know, baby bottle top to it. But it came with a baby bottle top right here. I'm not gonna open it right now. I am definitely going to be supplementing. From my experience, the first time, my milk did not kick in till like a couple days later, and it freaked me out. I felt like, you know, my kids were gonna die, their birth weight was going down, and so thank God for you know, Similac, or just formula in general. And I just felt a lot better as a mom, that there's nothing that I could do or that I can control about my breast milk and when it comes in and out. At least this time I'll have a little bit more like a mental awareness. Take it easy, take it slow, and not stress out so much, because the more you stress, the less milk that you will have. It also comes with two different containers of the Similac. This one is non-GMO instant formula with iron, so you can find this at any store, Target, Walmart, Fred Meyer's, if you guys are interested in that too, and not having to carry these powdered containers. They gave me two different ones. One is Similac Pro Sensitive for immune support. You never know with babies. You just never know. One minute they're good, the next minute they're throwing up. You just never know. So this one is Similac Pro Advanced for immune system, which is just a regular powdered milk base formula for the baby. But that is it for this unboxing. Thank you again, Motif, Airflow, and Similac for these free products that I can try and to help me get prepared for our baby girl that's coming in 3 weeks, maybe less, who knows. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful for all of you soon-to-be moms. So thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to check the links down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!